Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiwar and as my today's topic is interface in Java. First of all, what is interface? An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class in has static, constant and abstract method. Okay. Um, the interface in Java mechanism achieve abstraction there can be only abstract methods. In Java interface, not a method body, it's a used achieve abstraction and multiple interface in Java. Inheritance in Java. In a other word, you can say that that interface can have abstract method and variables, cannot have a method a body. Okay, Java interface also represent ISA relationship. Okay, then second, I cannot be initialized just like the abstract class. Okay, since Java 8 we have default and static methods. Default and static methods is an interface. Okay, and since Java 9 we have private methods in an interface. Okay, then we use Java interface. Okay, sorry, why use Java interface? There are three reasons to interface. They are given B. Okay, first, it is used to achieve abstraction. Okay. Second one, by interface we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. Okay. Third one is it can be used to achieve loose coupling. Okay. Uh, how to declare an interface. Okay, an interface is declared by using the interface keyword. Okay, declare the interface keyword is a provide total abstract method. All the methods in the interface are declared with the empty body. Okay, and all fields are public, static and final. By default, a class implements a interface must be implement all the methods declared in the interface. Okay, syntax of interface. First, interface and interface name. Okay, declaration constant field the declaration method that abstract and by default. Okay, it is a syntax of interface. Java interface improvement. Okay, um, since Java interface can have and starting method which is discussed later. Okay, internal addition by the compiler. Okay, in other word, interface field are public, static, and final by default, and the methods are public and abstract. Okay, interface printable int min equals to 5 while print. Okay, compiler interface printable public static final int min equals to 5 public abstract void print. Okay, the relationship between classes and and interfaces. Okay, uh, class extend to class. Class implements interface. Interface extends in interface. Okay, it is a and Java interface. So one for one example, Java interface. This is the example. Okay, example interface printable. Okay, interface printable void print. Uh, Class A6 implements printable. Okay, public void print sysout system.println and then double quotes hello or public static void main string arrays arguments and a main method and create the objects a6 obj equals to new a6 and obj.print. Okay, then output is hello. Okay, Java interface drivable. In this example, the drivable interface has only one method. Its implementations is provided by rectangle and circle classes. In a real scenario, an interface defined by someone else, but its implementation is provided by uh, different implementations providers. Moreover, it is used by someone else. The implementation part is hidden by the user who use the interface. Okay, and then second one example, interface declaration by first user, interface drawable while draw, implementation by second user, class rectangle, implementation drawable, a public void drawable sysout system.println drawing rectangle, and then class circle, implementation drawable public void draw system.println drawing circle using interface by third user, and class third phase one public static void main string as is drawable then upgrade